When will used car prices actually drop? Well, here's the real answer. Everyone keeps asking the same question. When are used car prices finally going to drop? And I'm going to give you the real answer, not the one people want to hear, the one you actually need to understand. Because right now, there's a lot of bad advice floating around, people saying, just wait, prices are going to crash. But here's the problem. That's not how this market works. And if you're waiting for a crash, you'll be waiting a long time, so don't hold your breath. Used car prices don't move like stocks. They don't fall off a cliff overnight. They move based on supply, demand, and replacement cycles. And right now, all three are out of sync. The core issue here, let's go back to the root problem we talked about. The missing 2 to 3 year old vehicles, that shortage is still working its way up through the system. And until that gap gets filled, prices don't have a reason to drop significantly. A little timeline reality. Here's the part most people miss. That production slowdown from 2020 to 2022, it doesn't fix itself overnight because cars age into the used market. So those missing vehicles take years to show up or not show up. Now let me say this clearly. There is no flip the switch moment where used car prices suddenly crash. So what will happen? Instead, here's what you're going to see. A slow normalization. That means some segments soften first, others stay elevated longer, and pricing becomes uneven across the market. Not a crash, a gradual correction. So where will prices drop first? This is where it gets strategic. Prices will start dropping in older vehicles, higher mileage vehicles, slower selling inventory. And why? Because those areas have less demand pressure, more competition, and less emotional buying. So what stays expensive? But here's the flip side. 2 to 3 year old vehicles, still tight supply. Low mileage vehicles, still in high demand. Like new inventory, still commands a premium price. So even as the market softens, that segment may stay elevated longer than people expect. The big mistake buyers make, here's where many buyers get it wrong. They sit on the sidelines waiting for the perfect time, but that moment doesn't exist because different parts of the market move at different speeds. The smart play here, instead of waiting for the market to drop, you need to learn how to operate inside it. That means knowing which segments are weakening, avoiding the ones still inflated, and timing your move based on value, not on headlines. And that's exactly what we do in our car buying service. We track where the market is softening, where dealers are starting to lose leverage, and where you can actually negotiate a deal right now. Because right now, timing isn't everything, positioning is. So if you're waiting for used car prices to crash, don't hold your breath. Because what's coming isn't a crash, it's a slow shift. And the buyers who understand that are the ones who have the possibility of winning. Follow the homework, guys, so dealers can't rip you off.